Namaste, CA Kaustubh Mohta here from RK Laser and Expert Laser. We are into manufacturing of sheet metal components and we are into this industry now as our own setup from the last 4 to 5 years. This was founded by my father Rajendra Mohta. He has been into this service line for almost over 20 years now into laser cutting and bending. We have 4 units in Pune, 3 in Hosri and 1 in Talavade by the name Expert Laser, RK Laser and Navkar Laser. We cater to clients from various industries such as automobile industry, then SPM industry, OEMs, defense, aerospace, fitness, architecture, waste handling, green energy, renewable sector, etc. We started our journey in 2021 and all thanks to Laser Technologies team that our first machine that we purchased from them was a backbone in helping us to build our organization. The first machine that we purchased from Laser Technologies, that is HSG 6 kilowatt machine, is a very rigid one, a solid one I would say, with all European features and European components like the source, head, etc. So that helped us in kickstarting our project of our own setup. We are happy to share that by starting with one machine, we have grown and we have 7 laser machines now. So Laser Technologies has played a big role in helping us to grow together. And I would say they are not just machine vendors for us, but business partners who have helped us in our business growth. And as I remember, we started with one machine in 2021 and my father knew Rakesh sir very well and of course Rana sir also very well. So the connect that they shared, even before when we purchased the machine, my father was in touch with them and we have family-like connects with Rakesh sir, Rana sir, Aman sir, and not just with the management team, but of course now with the sales team, service team, and we feel that we are a part of the Laser Technologies family as well. Of course, we also don't consider them as our vendors for us and they also don't consider us as our customers because the relations are so deep that we also treat them as a part of our organization and also they treat us as a part of their organization. In terms of the delivery, we started with our first machine and based on the rock solid performance that we received from the first machine, we could eventually expand our strength, our manpower, our production capacity, and currently we have 4 machines we have purchased from Laser Technologies. All are working in superb manner, delivering good quality results for us, not just in terms of production capacity but also in terms of the quality components that we create. And these machines are helping us to keep our customers happy because if we give good quality output from the machines, it is only then our customers will also be happy. So it's a great win-win situation for us that we have received good machines, strong machines, I would say rigid machines, that we are able to process tons of material in a month and also give quality products to our customers. The service teams also are very supportive and in times of needs they have taken exceptional steps also to help us in midnight situations, I would say, when there was any service issue or technical issue in our machine. So the same were attended on a very spontaneous time and also the management team, they also are helpful to us to solve our any technical issues, any service related issues or any type of issues on an immediate basis. Even on holidays I would say or even on Sundays. So the service team also has a big shout out I would say for helping us in ensuring that our machines are in production always. The focus has been always that the machine should be in production. And one thing that I would specifically mention about Laser Technologies that I've heard in their organization, that the sales team should always be on field and the service team should always be in office. That's when organization is in a very ideal situation, because if your service team is in office, that means that all the machines that they have supplied are working fine, are working in a good manner. So this statement that we hear in Laser Technologies and also that we see in Laser Technologies is very commendable, I would say. It's great to hear and also to see this type of push that comes from the management. And I haven't heard that these type of statement from other accessories or any other type of vendors that we have with us. So great to hear and great to see